here walking this dog. Yeah, walking the dog. No, come on. You gotta go. You need to go to the bathroom. I don't know what this dude's doing in this yellow truck here. They already told people that anybody's caught on the road that's not a government vehicle, they give them $1,000 fines if you get stuck out there. $1,000. Now, that means you need to stay in the house, right? Mm. Yeah, walking the dog. He look like he's about ready to come in his house. Oh, tank. That's it. Good boy. All right. I think we're done. Bye bye.